Very good hotel for family and golfer. Golf. Excellent facilities, great course. My bath didn't work first night, so they upgraded me free for second night. Amazing. Staff really helpful. Everything was wonderful. Good. Place and staff. I will spend the time with my family and the staff friendly and kind with my family. The room so clean and kind of staff. I sometimes to travel and this time has difference because it's private room and silent place. Excellent. Road trip. I had a long 10-hour journey in front of me, so decided to stop here one night to break the journey up. Great value for money, the breakfast was top class. Would definitely stay again. Hotel is the best, if you want back to basic, the peace place, the environment is simply and very nice weather. Exceptional top golf course, classy place. Great people. Food unreal good as well as good staff and management. Great stay, great food, great accommodations, all good. Nice view, happy. Good golf resort hotel. Satisfied. Plan to come back. Nice atmosphere. The location is far from key, 30 minutes without traffic. The hotel service is very nice, the staffs have very good manner. The breakfast bar provides the good menu. Lot of activity that you can have here, such as riding bicycle, golfing, running, swimming and etc.